how to place an order on AliExpress without paying. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up AliExpress, and after that you need to just simply select any particular product that you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase this one, so we will just simply open it up, and here you can click on this option of buy now. Then it will ask you to log in, so simply log into your account and go to the buy now page. Over there you can add a payment method, so just simply click on add a payment method and open up this platform, and it will help you create the fake credit card details. You can also put down any details from your mind, so simply just put down these details on the card section, like this number, and the valid through date is also there, and CVV number is this. Whenever you will hover around your cursor on any particular card, you will be able to see the CVV number. Simply put this, and after that place the order. This way you would be able to place the order without paying any money, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.